manje lamasobho angaka bengameli owaqoqelela endlini ithini plan yawo awana
ukubhekelela abantu abangathathi intweni nabaxaka izimo nje ezithize siyazi khona abantu abagcina bengabanga nemizi ngenxa yekhukhula so nabantwana nje abahlala kulawo makhaya nabantu besifazane abahlala kule ndawo ezama-support groups nomphakathi at large ngikhambi umphakathi waseKhethomeni abaningi abantu abangalithokozela kunaney'kole okuyizona ezinikeza iy'ngane ukudla angisakhathela
ngizwile nje uthi yinto ovele usuplana ukuyenza lokuthi ukwazi ukuxhasa abantu abahlwempu ngezinto ezithize njengokubalekile okuya ngasethunjini kubaleke kunazo zonke
izinto uyabona ukuthi
especially ey'koleni
into elimaza kakhulu iy'ngane ukuthi ziye esikoleni zilambile no government uyadinga ukulekelela kuyadinga abantu abazoqhamuka nama-ideas bakhulume no-private sector ukuthi ekudlenini nakwana isinikeze nathi sinikele kule mphakathi uyabona so ezinye zezinto engiy'misela ukuzenza ukubhekela kakhulukazi nje i-charity nama-organization ama-charity organizations silekelelane nawo sikhulume ne-private sector sinikele sinikwana nje ukubona sinikezwe lamasuphu nje amaningi esokwazi kwesinye isikhathi abanye asizobaneza isuphu ukuthi sofele siyipheke nje sikhulume namanye ama-companies asinikeze izinkwa sifike sibaphakela abantu amasuphu sibanikeze nezinkwa at least umuntu uma eyithole nje i-meal yosuku abantu kubaningi abantu abalala bengadlile nabahluphekayo ngempela futhi abasuke belidinga lolu sizo.
Cha ngiyakubona umongameli oney'fiso ezinhle ngabantu base-South Africa ikona nje phela ukuthi eSouth Africa ubuye bengakusupport abantu abafana nani uthola ukuthi sebuyacindezeleka sekufanele uze usebenze kanzima kahle kahle kumele ngabe usebenza kanzima ukusiza abantu base-South Africa kodwa ey'meni obhekana nazo nawe kwi-sector okuyona ugcina ungakwazi ukulula isandla ngendlela ofisa ngayo uthi nje kuloko mhlawumbe ikuphi esingakwenza okungadala ushintsho.
Yabo mokhuluma ngesethe ngikuyona isethe ngikuyona kudingeka something like an emergency funding because kune izimo zethu azifani khona umuntu uthothi khamba kahle usenemali thola ukuthi omunye umuntu mombuka uzothi hayi wayidla imali i-society nokucabanga kanjalo kanti umuntu uthola from hand to mouth ya good as ulasho mongaphefuma uyithola imali mongasabhukha ama-productions even ama-productions akanayo imali kade sibona kunama-productions angakhokhelile ama-actors because
Fethu speaking from leyo nto yama-artist kunestori esibuhlungu esikababa uGabela lesimazi njengomdletshe yini mhlambe ongacabanga ukuthi ingasebenza mhlambe eningayiqala as uSifsa engakwazi ukulekelela lama-artist othola ukuthi awasena umsebenzi asehlele emakhaya mhlambe iyiphi plan eningayenza with uDepartment of Arts and Culture ukuthi kukwazi ukuthi kwenzeke ngiyazi ukuthi ke nakunina ezoSifsa kunezimo enibhekene nazo kulo minister owagcina esevala zonke izinto kwama yonke into kwi-sector yama-artist and manje it feels like ama-artists I feel like nina nenzi lutho ezoSifsa kanti mhlawumbe yizimo nanenibhekene nazo ikuphi mhlawumbe ngakuthi nje hlwethu kuleyo nkulumo leyo
angifuna ungasho kunzima ama-artists are depressed mhlambe ngingakhuluma ngento ye-depression ukuthi is real into yokuqala nje evaliwe ile department kune-program eyayibizwa ngokuthi silapha i-wellness program ebeyisiza kakhulu ama-artist ngo-counselling nani ukuthi just even nokufundiswa ngendlela ye-financial management so sasiyi-requeste thina during i-COVID sibona ukuthi ama-artist amaningi ayayibulala. As I'm standing here, the secretary administrator in the office, PA is no more. She could not handle it because it seems some challenges where the minister wanted to investigate it. And there's a way even before Tina, where ebenendlela yakhe yokusebenza that is not indlela government, that is not indlela eqhamuka from the sector. But we had to allow it nathi. As a safe song, ngathi khona into esifihla sathi yenza investigation. But in that process, it's not only ISIFs, a number of organizations that were assisting ekukhuliseni creative industry. Onke akatholi lutho. Kune MGE Mzansi Golden Economy okuyiyona ebelekelela ukuthi abantu each and every organization at least might hire to 1,000 people bokhona ne-president employment stimulus package so all of those things bokhona i-downtown studios into esisho ukuthi uma uvaleka lezi imali ngangcothi mezivalwa kuma organizations ya direct to industry so asazi kwenzakalani now coming to a story se veteran yethu siyazi isithande kakhulu it's very painful that's why ukuthi sidinga private sector sidinga government baningi abantu ababenefita from the cultural and creative industry kahle kumnotho wezwe we contribute more than 200 billion so at least $1 billion must come to us libe that emergency funding ukuthi mokhona lapha nokhona ushonile nokhona osekulesa simo mokhona ufanele akhele indlu ngoba isociety nayo iyayinikeza pressure kuma artists it's not because ama artists ayidla imali ukudlula bonke abantu abayidla imali one you get paid ufanele ushintshe lifestyle sokuhlala lapha for uthenga imoto ama expenses akho ayanda uthi ungalindele sekuphelile akunama UIF sekuphelile production and you can't force people to employ you akunama UIF akunama benefits akunama pension fund akunama medical aid so there's a lot that needs to be done working with government working with private sector in ensuring ukuthi kunama policies ne assistance ukuthi even ama hotels ama flights but you never ama banks you never see them contributing to cultural and creative industry if an artist and an event la maningi abantu ababenefitayo abama flights abama accommodation abe transport but none of those people are contributing back to the industry izona zathu ke zisibeka la sikhona ukuthi sibe nabantu esebenze kangaka SABC in terms of ama royalties ama actors akakhokheliwa ama royalties awayina kunombango we copyright amendment bill money back and forth the industry to government susa le clause the government is taking it but now right now the constitutional court so uzothola ukuthi babugabela kunamali yakhe ehlele SABC angayitholi fana nemali yama royalties ama artists ayalo manje akhala indaba yaseSambro kunama millions ahleli lapha na yet but yet artists are suffering it's a very depressing stage I am depressed as their leader as well
ngize nje ukuphula ulimi president as wena as a president of uSIFSA i-communication yakho mhlambe no Minister of Arts and Culture ukhona yini mhlawumbe la ake wakhombisa kona ukufaka isandla helping amaciko o abantu nje mfethu abaphila khona la akwenza noma yena uvele wa decide ukuthi ngcona vela vale yonke iminyango you understand kugcina ngenzeke lutho because thina sabantu abaseceleni ukusiyabuka ukuthi hayibo iSIFSA ibikhona impela sibona ukuthi iyasebenza but what is happening to SIFSA understand we want to know yini igalelo alifakile yena ekutheni kuthuthuka amaciko noma ukuvela kwa social media nje ekhulume izinto zakhe
ake ngikhulume ngeSIFSA ukuthi sithenga kaqala investigation waya emncwabeni welinye lama artist wathi SIFSA those ones are the biggest crooks. It was a surprise because the investigation engakaqali so ukuthi ukutholephi nalokuthi should we believe in ama findings akhe but so far I know ukuthi wathembisa ama artists to 300 million wathazothola ngoOctober afike neaccount namhlanje kusasa iyangena imali and also I'm aware ukuthi waqala into yama sectors ekwasimangaza ukuthi nangu umqashi organize abasebenzi wathengisa ama 2 million angakawaboniki ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wathembisa ama living legends of 50,000 each umuntu bengakawaboniki ngiyakhumbula imali wayitheka bazonikeza abantu be hip hop 12 million bengakayiboni at least from the former ministers because sekwazi ukusebenzana for example Joseph uhlala isikhathi esincane office but ushiyile kukhona cultural and creative industry awards and then there was minister Nathi Mthethwa oshiye neMGE washiya nesilapha washiya neFederation ukuthi mayibe organize the creative industry and then washiya namanye ama organization washiya nepresidential employment stimulus package eya create so many works for ama artists kuningi namanye so mhlambe ke abasebenzi baka Department of Sports Arts and Culture bayokwazi ukusitshela ukuthi nalezi mali meyisuswa suke ziyaphi but so far ama organization afile so far we are going back to lesaskhathi before even 30 years of democracy when the creative industry is not organized so but we are selecting in that whole process into enginoticile nebe yinhle ukuthi kuvele ama true colors ethu as creative ama creatives asikuthi sileka into ye leadership ngokuthi kubekwe imali sagijima shona le sifana nabantu amakhayitha angenantambo.
Yes.
Shuthi mokufika any politician we are failing even to defend our own policies because in a white paper manje sinama bills akhona ayi-guiding document ukuthi cultural and creative industry fanele simenze esasi involved kuwona ukuthi makahambe kanje but today ngoba nathi sesibona imali siney'khundla ke but all I can say ukuthi SIFSA exists for the first time. It's the only organization that exists in the 9 provinces of this country. Exists kuma district from time to time as ama artists siyakwazi ukuhlangana as provinces and communicate but asizovuma ama politician ayibulala industry yethu because our talent is our bread and we're born creatives. We're not creatives by choice.
So kahle bengameli uyathembisa ukuthi iSIFSA isakhona
ikhona ngikhuluma namhlanje nje kuzobe kunomhlangano wama leaders eSIFSA chairpersons and secretaries and coordinators of all the 9 provinces. iSIFSA exists. It's very sad ukuthi sikhokha 25% of tax and ugovernment akasiboni isidingo sokuthi uyisupport industry. Maningi amaqhawe ethu akhona especially nasomculweni wesintu in all the 9 provinces. Khona ama artists embaqanga, khona ama artists Kisho Moya Elimpopo, there's a beautiful culture. Our cultures are not promoted. Even SABC is not doing much to promote our culture. Yes, yet sikoku 25% tax, but at the same time we are not recognized as workers. Into ongayazi ukuthi ngoba sibona abasebenzi wasikhokha into elengaka. Uma kwathiwa nje ngiqashiwe institution R1,000 uzibona so hola 750.
Hey, yabona, this is very painful. I think in South Africa ngakusho ukugcwala ukuthi they don't give a fuck about the art industry.
They don't give a fuck. They like us when we're dead. You know why? Because bafuna ukuthi athi ngilekelelile. The only reason it's not because ama artist futhi asongena imali okuyingcwaba. Usuku umndeni unemali yokuthi ungcwabe buona ne community. Usungakhetharishalanga for government and all those people. That's why I told sekufanele ke ba edeke ku catering, not because ubengayibekanga imali ukuthi ubeyibeke lonto trying ukuthi ngilithola ibhokisi nembuzi nebhasi, but maseqala kufika abantu baka government. So that's when siyasicela usizo ukuthi sicela nilekelele, and thina as creatives siyanikela, but akonto esiyimemezela njengominister ukuthi soyogibela phezulu kwethu ukuthi ngisizile mina lana nidlala amazamba nje mina othengele izambane. As Africans we don't do it like that. But it's the same thing na ku issue ka khona mamunandi la sambona uminister emshaya ivideo eshingizoza ngizokusiza. Thina siyakwenza iSIFSA but asikwenzi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi sikwenze le social media, siyenza as ubuntu ngoza kwethu ngoba nami ngengithanda ukuthi mawuzongipha le soup sihambe umemezela umhlaba wonke.
No, mengameli ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzomela senze isikhathi and sit down and unpack all these things because most amaciko are confused with what is happening in the creative industry. We understand why
it divide and rule. It's the state of politics in the country. Motu yabheka njengoba kukhona lento ye-GNU, the only thing weyibonayo it's contestation of power kuma politicians. Bayabophana bayacebana, but nothing is going to the people of South Africa. Njengamanje abantu balambile. We asikaze salamba kanje in the creative industry, truth be told.
I know. Asibambe lapho mongameli ngithi mina nje ngingakusho ngicela uqhubeke nale initiative oyithathile manje ukuthi usize abantu ngempela abantu khona abantu abalala bengadluli kwangempela. So lokho kuqalile manje akukuncane, you understand, even kungayona indawo yakho ukuthi ukwenze, but I believe ukuthi ukusuka emphefumulweni ukukhombisa ukuthi unalo uthando lokusebenzela abantu. It's not about you, but it's about abantu ophilisana nabo emhlabeni. So siyabonga kakhulu, sizohlala phansi sikhulume because we need to know ukuthi uma Kenzina yenzile seriously.
So babeza nabanye ngazothiwa impi kaJohn uMakhenza ngaze ngabanganike nendoda namabhiliyoni.
But ke vele at the same time umuntu ofanele unpack everything upresident because yes wena ofanele ukukhuluma bangakhuluma abanye but ikhande kumele sithole kulona ukuthi
afuthi ke ngikuthanda ukuthi kucace ngoba ku creative industry siyayithanda lento ama project angokupresident nje wakhethwa eMpumalanga. Yes, ikhona creative industry.
Awubolekiwe lesikhulu.
Cha ngikhipha ngisho imali. Nami I never felt ukuthi ngiready. There's a lot that I've learned and ngikufunde from working with ama artists akhuluma different languages, from working with different officials government in all in the way abafisa ngayo, even ama officials government khona abafisayo nabakujabulelile ukuba khona kweSIFSA because mothi abuka kube nozinzo kanti bohleli kunama mashi kunani kuba sesiyakwazi ukuthi izinto asixoxe etafuleni siphume sisebenzisana. That's all we need, nothing much ukuthi nathi sizweni phela because nothing about us without us. Anikwazi ukukhuluma niqede ngathi ngibeka ama policies singekho azothinta impilo zethu.
Right. siyabonga mengamelize nami ngiqhamuke kumahlephihlepi
Waze wangihijack.
kuyasebenza but we really need to know what is happening. Siyabonga kakhulu
Thank you so much.